This activity is very similar to one that we've done previously in class, where we coloured in the white sections of a linocut. However, this lino has a balance of black and white, and if we coloured in the white sections, it might appear too heavy. And so instead, we're going to be colouring in the black. I'm going to start by unlocking Jenny's Linocut layer and creating a new background layer, which is black. I'm then going to delete the black from her original Linocut so that I can paint into it. I've made a third middle layer that I'm going to use for colours. The reason I'm doing this is because I don't want to accidentally colour over the top of the white, and if I don't have the black as a background layer, I won't really be able to see where I'm meant to be colouring in. I can choose to leave some black in, or I can colour all of the black sections progressively. I've also got a source image open in a new tab in Photoshop. As with our other activity, I'm just going to use the eyedropper tool and select colours appropriately from that image, come back to Jenny's Linocut and colour it in using the paintbrush tool. I'm not worrying a lot about the type of brush or the brush settings that I'm using because I can blur the colours in later using a filter. Finished colouring in all of those sections that I want. I've left some background black just around the edges. To finalise the activity, I'm going to blur my colours together by going into the filters ribbon at the top and then blur.